In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Paychex Flex. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This is the starting point for downloading any app on an Android device. Once you're in the store, you'll notice a wide array of applications available. But don't worry, we'll narrow it down to just the one you need. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. This allows you to type in the name of the app you're looking for. It's a crucial step because it directs the store to look for the specific app you want. Next, type Paychex Flex into the search bar. Be sure to spell it correctly, as accurate spelling ensures that you find the right app. Paychex Flex is the app provided by Paychex Inc. It's your gateway to managing payroll and employee benefits conveniently from your device. After typing, select Paychex Flex by Paychex Inc. from the list of search results. This is important because you want to make sure you're choosing the official app, not an imitator. Selecting the correct app ensures that you're downloading a safe and secure application. Tap Install. This begins the downloading and installation process. It's a simple tap, but it sets everything in motion. The app will now download to your device. You may notice a progress bar indicating how much longer it will take. Wait for the download to complete. This can take a few moments depending on your internet speed. During this time, it's best to be patient. Downloading an app is a complex process that involves transferring data to your device. Once the download finishes, tap Open. This action launches the app for the first time. Opening the app is a crucial step because it prepares everything for you to start using Paychex Flex. You'll immediately see the app's welcome screen, which is a good sign that everything is working correctly. Now, sign into your account using your credentials. This step is key as it grants you access to all the features Paychex Flex offers. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to visit the Paychex website to create one. Signing in ensures that all your personal and payroll data are accessible and secure. At this point, you've successfully downloaded and opened Paychex Flex. You can now explore its features to manage your payroll and benefits efficiently. Remember, having the app on your phone means you can access important information anytime and anywhere, which is incredibly convenient. Thank you for following along. This process empowers you to stay connected with your payroll data and employee benefits with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Enjoy using Paychex Flex and have a great day.